Missy jumped for joy. It was going to be a great day. In an earthquake, Missy knows to duck and cover. And she sneezes in the dust.
Snake.
She goes looking for her owner, Sierra, but Sierra isn't there. She puts away her toys while she waits.
Come find me. Come here, come find me. Oh, you found me. Oh, thank you, you found me. Hi. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, Missy, I think I'm hurt. You're going to have to check me. Come here, you're going to have to check me. Come here. Jump under? Yeah. See, jump over. Yes. Oh, you think I hurt my leg? Okay, well, you're going to need to go to the store. You'll need to go to the store to help me because I can't walk. Thank you. Better go. Hi, welcome to the pharmacy. What can I get you? Missy, would you like to pay for it? Pay for it. Deciding what you want, yeah? Missy, go pay for it. Go pay for it. Oh, thank you. You brought me a wallet? Oops, I dropped it. Missy, bring me the wallet. Pay for it. Thank you. Oh, you brought me a whole wallet. Thank you. Okay. Well, I can see you need an ice pack. You need a bandage. And you need this first aid kit. Here you go. I'll take you to the door. Come on. Come on. Oh, thank you. Thank you. What did you bring me? What did you bring me? Lay down. Sit. What did you bring me? Some Band-Aids. Thank you. Oh, and a bandage. Thank you. Missy, are you a hero dog? I thought so. Good girl. Missy, take a bow. Take a bow. Yes.